Time to put the SC888 with a very carefully prepared bag on the airflow box and compare it to what the initial run was without the bag. So if you remember, using just the outer bag, which I know some people can use it with just the outer bag, we got 171 CFM rounded. So, like I mentioned a minute ago, I spent some significant time doing everything I could to get the highest airflow possible out of this machine by adjusting the bag properly. So let's see what it reads. You know it's going to be lower. So for those of you who don't remember offhand, this is 150 CFM with a bag installed. This was 171 without a bag installed. So now bag is installed. Let's see what happens. Loaded voltage, we were at 123.0, and the CFM has now dropped to 145 CFM with a bag. Now I know people can go and you can modify this thing and have it take different bags and put HEPA bags in and whatnot. This is a typical bag a lot of people will use in a machine like this. So the totally clean bag CFM 145. So I have to change the pronouncement. The king is dead. Long live the king. And I mean bagged. So bag to bag 150, 145. Big whoop-de-doo. So that's what we got. That's still a ton of CFM. I measured the rug plate opening, and I think we're right around 20 or so square inches, and that's going to mean a CFM density with a bag of a 7. So I'm going to have some comments on this when I start to do some other tests with it. I'll do a sand test. I'll do a whole house cleaning test. I'm going to end up doing that last. And all I'm going to say is I have other vacuums, and they have very small rug plate openings. And if you have a CFM density higher than, like, say, a 4, and you don't have power assist like this guy, it becomes very, very hard to push. So stay tuned for some other tests.